everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the full process of how to add money to your Cash App balance step by step. Let's get started. First, open the Cash App on your iPhone or Android device. Once you're in, look at the bottom menu and tap on the Money tab. It's the icon that looks like a little bank or a dollar sign. This is where you'll see your current balance and all your available options. Next, tap on the button that says Add Money. This is where you can choose how much money you want to add to your Cash App balance. You can pick a preset amount, like $10, $25, or $50, or type in a custom amount if you have something specific in mind. Once you've decided on the amount, go ahead and tap Add. Now, before the money gets transferred, Cash App will ask you to confirm the transaction for security reasons. Depending on your phone settings, you'll either use Touch ID, Face ID, or your PIN code to confirm. This step makes sure it's really you adding the funds. After you confirm, the money will be instantly added to your Cash App balance. You'll see it appear right away on your home screen, and you can use it immediately whether you want to send it to someone, pay for something, or transfer it to your bank account if you ever need to add more funds later. You can repeat this exact process anytime. It's super simple and takes just a few seconds, and that's it. You've now learned how to add money to your Cash App balance safely and easily.